Clean visuals and precise colors can completely change your creative workflow. The best monitor for graphic design delivers sharp detail, accurate color reproduction, and smooth performance for editing, illustration, and professional design projects, while creating a comfortable setup that keeps every project looking polished and visually consistent. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Acer KB272 Graphic Design Monitor. The Acer KB272 Graphic Design Monitor is a solid option for users who want a large display with dependable everyday performance at an affordable price point. Its 27-inch Full HD IPS panel delivers clear visuals with good color consistency and wide viewing angles, making it suitable for graphic design beginners, students, and casual creative professionals. The 1920 by 1080 resolution provides decent image sharpness for tasks like photo editing, digital illustration, social media graphics, and general creative work. The IPS technology helps maintain accurate colors from different viewing positions, which is important when working on visual projects that require consistency across the screen. One of the standout features of this monitor is its smooth performance. With adaptive sync support and refresh rates reaching up to 120 Hz, users can enjoy fluid movement while editing videos, scrolling through timelines, or even playing games after work. The 1 ms response time also reduces ghosting and motion blur, creating a cleaner viewing experience during fast-moving scenes and transitions. This makes the monitor more versatile than many basic design displays in the same price category. Number 2. Dell S2725QS Graphic Design Monitor. The Dell S2725QS Graphic Design Monitor delivers an impressive combination of sharp visuals, color accuracy, and modern features that make it an excellent choice for graphic designers, photographers, and content creators. Its 27-inch 4K UHD display produces incredibly detailed images, allowing users to work with high-resolution photos, intricate illustrations, and detailed design projects with exceptional clarity. The monitor supports 99% sRGB color coverage, helping designers achieve vibrant and accurate colors that look natural across creative applications. Combined with HDR readiness and a 1500:1 contrast ratio, the display offers deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and enhanced detail that improves the overall visual experience. One of the biggest strengths of this monitor is its balance between professional productivity and smooth everyday performance. The 120 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync Premium support create fluid motion while scrolling, editing timelines, or watching video content. The ultra-fast response time also helps reduce motion blur, making the display feel responsive and modern during both creative work and entertainment. Number 3. Samsung S50GC Graphic Design Monitor. The Samsung S50GC Graphic Design Monitor stands out with its ultra-wide display and productivity-focused design that caters especially well to multitasking creative professionals. Featuring a 21:9 ultra-wide QHD resolution, this monitor provides significantly more horizontal workspace compared to standard displays, allowing graphic designers to comfortably manage multiple windows, editing tools, timelines, and reference materials simultaneously. The wider screen layout improves workflow efficiency by reducing the need to constantly switch between tabs or applications. This makes it particularly useful for video editors, digital artists, UI designers, and users working with large creative software interfaces. The monitor also delivers impressive visual quality with HDR10 support and over 1 billion colors, offering deeper contrast and more vibrant highlights compared to standard SDR displays. Darker scenes appear richer, while brighter areas maintain strong detail, creating a more immersive and visually accurate experience for design projects and media content. Number 4. LG 27US 500-W Graphic Design Monitor. The LG 27US500-W graphic design monitor offers a clean balance of professional visual quality, modern simplicity, and reliable performance for creative users. Its 27-inch 4K UHD display delivers excellent image sharpness and clarity, allowing graphic designers, photographers, and digital artists to view fine details with impressive precision. The higher resolution provides significantly more workspace compared to standard Full HD monitors, which is especially helpful when working with large images, layered projects, or editing software that uses multiple tool panels. Colors appear rich and natural thanks to HDR10 support and up to 90% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. This wider color range helps designers achieve more vibrant and realistic visuals while maintaining strong color consistency across different creative tasks. The monitor's 1000:1 contrast ratio also improves depth by producing darker blacks and cleaner highlights, which benefits both content creation and media viewing. Wide viewing angles ensure that colors remain stable even when viewing the display from different positions, making collaboration easier during creative projects. Number 5. ASUS ProArt Graphic Design Monitor. The ASUS ProArt Graphic Design Monitor is built specifically for creative professionals who require excellent color accuracy, dependable performance, and professional-grade features for demanding visual work. Its 27-inch wide Quad HD IPS display provides a sharp and spacious viewing experience with a 2560 by 1440 resolution that offers more detail and workspace than standard Full HD monitors. This makes it ideal for graphic design, photo editing, illustration, video production, and other color-sensitive tasks. One of the strongest aspects of this monitor is its outstanding color performance. It supports 100% sRGB and 100% Rec. 709 color gamuts, ensuring rich and highly accurate color reproduction across creative applications. The factory calibration and CalMan verification with Delta E less than 2 accuracy provide confidence that colors appear true to life directly out of the box. This level of precision is especially valuable for professionals working on projects that require consistent color matching across print and digital platforms. The IPS panel also delivers wide 178-degree viewing angles, helping maintain visual consistency from different perspectives. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.